I look at structures of the market and then, look at how the market dances within that structure. Like Disney is kind of a straight line where all of these prices, kind of bounced off this straight line, where this has been kind of a stealth bull market. But yeah, I tried, several times, every time it broke out, I kind of think it's maybe going to go. But, and then, so you kind of in this area. So once this thing, and once I put something on the charts, I don't leave it, when it starts kind of poking its, I was in this thing and then it kind of died and I made some money and then I kind of wrote it off. But once I started, seeing it come back, yesterday to this $9 area, then, kind of goes back on my radar. And then I kind of just look at it in terms of risk and reward. It's all about, okay, this thing looks like it could break out. I got in here right here as it was breaking out at $9. And I'm saying, okay, this is my risk. And, we'll see where this goes now. So to me, it's like, you had this cadence of higher lows and you have this breakout above here. And, it started, once it starts banging on the ceiling of $9, it's been banging on this thing every time it gets up here. But then if it, keeps revisiting it, at some point it's going to bang through it. It's kind of like Disney. If it keeps banging on that 170, it's, eventually going to, go lower through it. I just kind of look at, see how prices keep hammering at a certain area. Like Disney, if we come back to 170, it's likely going to go through that. Alternatively, if we hold this, it can, it could hold. So I just start fooling around with, certain areas. And like this, I would buy it here and put a stop under the low. You got a $2 risk and you could have a $20 upside. So I just start, fooling around with certain things. They're not all going to work. But then ones that do, then I just start piling into it and adding to it. And then if it works big, then it takes care of all the little losers along the way. And that's kind of what I do all the time. It's just a constant prodding, probing, seeing what works, getting out of things that don't work, and, just working with the winners.
So you can see, 45 is 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So popped out a profit for 118,000 there.
So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts.
I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.